Alright, what if I tell you beating yourself up while you made a loss doesn't help? Because most of you guys beat yourself up for the aim of to never repeat such kind of a mistake. But what happens is that when you beat yourself up either by talking negative to yourself, calling yourself bad names like a loser, or you are unable to trade, and any kind of name you can think about, you come again in a future time to make a same mistake, but you did all the bad talk to yourself and it cured nothing. So what people doesn't know is when you speak yourself badly, when you speak negative about yourself, you indoctrinate yourself with negativity. So when you have such kind of indoctrination within you, it makes you a bad trader because you'll be fearing to take trades because you never trust again on yourself. So never again talk bad yourself. Whatever you made a loss, just take it simple as how you take it on profits. And when you make a profit, now start speaking that, oh, I'm a winner, I'm successful, and use a lot of energy thinking on the positive side of trading rather than the negative side of trading, because by doing so you'll indoctrinate positivity, which will help you a lot in your psychology. Remember, trading is more than 90% psychological than it is technical. So stay blessed and never beat yourself up again while made a loss.